Nothing is permanent, so don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is right now, it will change, and you're gonna be okay. Be a person who helps and encourages people. Because this world has plenty of critics already. No matter how cool, talented, educated, or rich you think you are, how you treat people tells everything about you. Always remember, integrity is everything. Sometimes the problem is not the problem. The problem is the incredible amount of overthinking that you're doing with the problem. Let it go and be free. Happiness and sadness entirely depends on how you look at your life. So, instead of focusing on the pain, let's focus on the lesson that we can learn from our pain. Being kind is very important. But most importantly, be kind to yourself. Because the true practice of love and kindness starts with self-love and self-kindness. Always make sure to surround yourself with positive people. Stay with people who supports you even in the hard times of your life. Just remember, the people who we associate is a big part of who we are. Don't be too nice. You may be taken for granted. You can't always be nice. That's how people take advantage of you. If you constantly have to tell someone the same exact thing about how you feel, and they don't change it, understand, they don't respect you. If they don't respect you, respect yourself and leave that situation. If you want to know if someone loves you, look at their eyes and you will find the truth. Eyes never lie. Fall in love with someone who looks at you and knows they don't want anyone else. Thanks for watching.